Hi friends, welcome to today's daily market analysis. Yesterday we informed you that Tata Motors denied any talks of collaboration with Tesla and Tata Motors. So I told you that it is not okay to buy. But today what happened was JLR result, Jaguar results from China came. It was really positive. That's why Tata Motors rallied today. We told you in the morning that yesterday global indices closed in red, but today morning futures was trading in green. And I couldn't update you much because I was busy with my regular job. I work as an engineer. Trading is my part-time business only. At around 11 a.m., seeing the options in, I told you that 14,500 will act as a good resistance and 14,400 will act as a good support. But what happened is there was news about GeoMart, deals in GeoMart, and also the FPI increment in HDFC Bank, foreign portfolio investment. It was raised to 2.61%. I also updated you about my trades today, but I exited all my sell positions at 11:40 because at 11:30 itself we saw huge increment in put option writing in 14,500. This was a sudden change. I told you that this is a green signal for up market. So I exited all my sell positions in Bank Nifty and Nifty. Okay. So what happened is HDFC Bank at around 11:30, 11:40 gave good momentum to Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, HDFC Bank is a heavy stock after Reliance. Today Reliance also went 3.5% up because that news regarding GeoMart having deals with another company. Okay, so what happened is these Reliance etc. came down because of the farmers' protest. But if you logically think, this profit of Reliance will not get affected in the long run. There are problems with GeoSIM porting, but I think it will be corrected. Okay, and also we have to keep in mind that Reliance was trading at 2,300, and also this quarterly results of Reliance will be positive as always. So Reliance went up to 3.5%. That took Nifty up. Okay, you can see Nifty today it took resistance at 14,500, but due to that HDFC factor and Reliance, it went up and it took a resistance at 14,580. Coming on to Bank Nifty, you can see there was a dip in Bank Nifty because RBI announced that the NPS will increase from 7.5% to 15% in 2020. Okay, so due to that news, Bank Nifty went bearish today morning itself. But the point to be noted is that the PSU banks will be much affected by this news. Okay, but in Bank Nifty, the major shares in Bank Nifty is held by private banks, mainly by HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, and Kotak Bank, and also IndusInd Bank and PSU Bank. In PSU Bank, we have to only consider SBI, which is a strong bank in PSU. So, due to that HDFC factor only, today Bank Nifty had a jump of around 400 points. And you can see this Bank Nifty when moving is respecting our lines. You can see these lines, etc. If you are following the group, we drew it around 1 week ago, and it is still taking resistance at our level. And when it is breaking, it is giving good momentum. You can see on the upside, 32,610 is the all-time high. I think it is 613 something. So this line is very critical. And coming on to results, we can see today we had Karnataka Bank and some other banks result announced that was positive. That's why I think PSU banks went up. The major result in bank is coming on Saturday, that is HDFC Bank. I think tomorrow also we will have an initial jump in HDFC Bank because of this result. And also you can see to counter this, I think Kotak Mahindra Bank came down and it was resting at 1,900. What I expect in Bank Nifty tomorrow is you can see all the call option sellers exited from their position due to this news. Okay, the major resistance up is 32,500. Up to Thursday, there is no announcement of major results in bank. We have only on Saturday. So I think 32,500 will be the position for Thursday. You can see there is no high build up today in call option selling because of this fear factor. And in support, you can see 32,000 will act as a good support. I think tomorrow Bank Nifty will have a spike due to the same news, and people will be investing in the HDFC Bank, eyeing on the results. And that's it regarding Bank Nifty. And in Nifty, you can see at one time we had around 20 lakhs open interest, change in open interest in 14,500. So this will act as a good support. Okay, this 14,500 will act as a good support. I told you 2-3 days before that if the market is closing 14,300, we will definitely see 14,500. So we have seen it today, and what I expect is tomorrow also there will be a spike in IT sector that will give an initial spike in Nifty. Okay. Also to be noted is afterwards there will be profit booking in IT sector if the announcement of Infosys and Wipro is coming in the market hours. If it is not coming in the market hours, we can expect that good profit booking in the early hours of Thursday morning. Okay, I think there is considerable call option selling in 14,700. It will be tough to break. I think it will act as a good resistance, and we have to see how this value decrease regarding 14,500 call option. Okay, if that value is decreasing tomorrow on a consistent basis, we can expect the market close below 14,700 and 14,600. We have to also see this value developing at 14,600 change in put option tomorrow. If it is considerably increasing, we can confirm that market will be closing above 14,600 and below 14,700 on Thursday. Due to all these results coming, market has become highly volatile, and also with the foreign investments coming, the uptrend is continuing. Today also you can see FADA data. FADA has done a buying of around 15,000 crores and selling of around 14,500 crores. You can see there is a spike in activity. Okay, there is a spike in activity. This may be related to the shift in. This may be related to the shift from one sector to other sector. Okay, so I had also given you my today's positions, what I'm keeping for today. What I will do in the morning, I am holding 32,400 CE in Bank Nifty. So when the market goes up in the morning with a spike, I will be selling this 32,400. Okay, and also I expect the market to finish just below 32,500, or if it is going on increasing, I'll be buying 32,900 etc. and closing these two pair 32,500 CE and 32,700 CE with no loss, no profit. Okay, same thing will be done with 14,650 CE. Okay, coming to global indices, major global indices, you can see Dow Jones, S&P 500 and Nasdaq is trading in red just a little, and also European markets are down. So we have to check the real-time futures that will be available in morning itself to see what is the position in the morning. Okay, so at present futures are negative as the market is running negative, so we can expect a change in tomorrow. So if there is a change in mood tomorrow morning, we can watch out futures of all these index same page, and we can trade accordingly. So I'll be updating tomorrow at the earliest in our Telegram group. Please join the group. I'll be sharing the link below this video. So until then, goodbye. Thank you.